Welcome to BioKist, where wellness, sustainability, and purpose unite. We're more than a brand. We're a movement to elevate health, empower lives, and inspire positive change. At the heart of BioKist is our core product, the revolutionary BioKist Wellness app, the first biohack app in the network marketing world. This innovative, in-house urine analysis app is a game changer, providing real-time insights into your nutrition and wellness habits. It's designed to help you achieve optimal health, weight management, enhance energy levels and peak performance, unlocking the full potential of your journey through life. Our foundation rests on 5 pillars: wellness, promoting holistic health, eco-consciousness, embracing sustainable practices, giving is living, fostering community impact, the 5 elements, aligning body, mind and nature, and opportunity, a platform for personal and professional growth. But BioKist is more than products. It's a pathway to a better life. Our financial model rewards dedication, giving everyone the chance to succeed while making a difference. After years of unwavering commitment, BioKist was created with a mission to enhance lives, respect the planet, and build a thriving community of opportunity. Guided by values of integrity, compassion, and eco-consciousness, we envision a world where wellness and growth go hand in hand. Our BioKist Wellness app provides life-changing data displaying key parameters such as hydration, energy balance, metabolic rate, and nutrient absorption. This unparalleled insight enables users to make informed choices that drive sustainable health improvements. Our 5 elements bring balance to our products and practices. Earth grounds, water heals, fire drives, air gives life, and space connects. In Giving is Living, we go beyond donations, creating meaningful support networks. Join us as we pioneer the future of wellness, sustainability, and shared opportunity, where innovative tools like the BioKist Wellness app empower lives and transform health across the globe.